The squat is one of the most misunderstood exercises, yet one of the most important things that a beginner can learn to do properly, especially when first starting out. Stick with me today. I'm going to show you all about the squat and how you can add it to your routine safely and most effectively. Quite often when people start doing a squat in their routine, whether it's been programmed by a trainer or they just see it online, they just think, bring the butt down, go back up, stand back up. And in essence, that is really what the squat is. But there are some major cues that quite often are misunderstood and quite often people get wrong, which causes them things like lower back pain, knee pain, just dysfunction overall, and not really activating their complete leg while doing the exercise. These are some mistakes that you can easily take care of just by performing the squat properly. So the first thing we can start off with when you're going about doing the squat is the first cue that many people get wrong is by driving the butt backwards. So we hear a lot of times that you want to drive the butt backwards like you're sitting down in a chair. That's true to an extent, but so often people over accentuate that movement. What happens is by driving the butt backwards or the hips backwards too far, your upper body has to overcompensate by leaning too far forward. This puts a great strain on the spine, especially those lower back muscles, the erectors and all the supporting muscles there. Many people after squatting for a couple weeks are experiencing extreme lower back pain. Or even worse, they end up getting hurt and bulging a disc because they went too heavy with improper form. Very plainly, the way to fix that is by allowing yourself to drop more evenly down in a straight line. The cue that I hear quite often used is don't allow the knee to go past the toe. But that couldn't be further from the truth. When you look at a true squat that's done properly, that has the most benefit, the knee absolutely goes further than the toe position. This requires proper ankle mobility to allow that portion of the leg to extend further than the toe line. But by allowing that to happen, you're allowing the upper leg to then come down into the proper position, which allows the upper body, your chest, your back, to maintain the upright position or more upright position to keep the spine in alignment and to keep you safe, and also activating the proper muscles. As soon as you don't have the proper mobility in the ankle, it doesn't allow the hinging to happen properly at each joint, then causes multiple dysfunctions through the chain at that point. That's when we hear people experience lower back pain, like we discussed, as well as knee pain right in the front by the kneecap, the patella. By fixing some of these problems, going up and down more in a straight line, not allowing the butt to shoot backwards completely, but also allowing the knee to go forward and past the toe line, you're going to keep your whole body in a proper positioning. Now, this is just a quick tip that I wanted to share with you today. It's very, very basic, I know, but really understanding how to squat, you can watch the videos that I provide. Understanding this and adding the squat into any routine, whether you're beginner, intermediate, or advanced, squat has to be in there. Whether you're using it just with body weight or going really heavy with weight on your back, we need to have the squat. The squat has so many benefits added in for us, not just building muscle, but really activating hormones in our body and keeping us nice and healthy. It's a great exercise. Make sure that you add the squat into your routine, but do it properly, get practice with it, and if you have availability, go ahead and ask a trainer to help you with your squat form. If you don't have access to that, you can feel free to contact me. I'd love to look at your squat form, give you any cues. Can even set up a free consultation if you'd like to do that, and we can talk you through some of your form critiques and anything that you might need in your program. So go ahead and leave me a comment below and let me know if you love doing the squat, how you feel when you're doing squats. I'd love to hear from you. My name is Ryan. I'm from No Limits Fitness. I'd love it if you guys hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and I will see you guys next time.